Most people see the blur. I see the physics. I'm Brian Teacher. Let's get to work.
Welcome to Full Court Tennis Vision to Reality. I'm Brian Teacher, Australian Open champ, longtime coach and founder of the Full Court Tennis app. When you start missing shots in a match, what happens in your head? The negative dialogue starts running a loop. It's like being on a bad trip, a snowball rolling downhill, collecting negative energy until you completely choke. So how do you stop it? Most players make the fatal mistake. They start obsessing over their technique in the middle of the match. But you cannot play tennis while thinking about your mechanics. Today, we're going to talk about how to detach from your emotions, why the greatest players focus purely on strategy, and how to look in the mirror after a loss to actually figure out what went wrong. Let's get to work. Your brain is an incredibly powerful computer, and when the negative thoughts pour in, I'm going to double fault. I should be beating this guy. Your computer gets a virus. You have to learn how to clear it. Look at Novak Djokovic. He reprogrammed his brain from a war-torn country by using mindful breathing and affirmations. 4 seconds in through the nose, hold for 4, out for 4. You slow your heart rate and detach from the emotion. But here's a reality check. You can only stay calm if you actually have faith in your foundation. Even on the Pro Tour, I doubt if 10% of the guys out there have the feeling that all their mechanics are completely sound. It is incredibly rare. Some have great ground strokes but can't volley well. Some have massive serves but poor movement. But those top champions do the technical homework off the court. So when the bad trip starts, they have a baseline of physical confidence to anchor their minds. You build that confidence by studying the details in practice. You study the supination of your forehand, the sync of your hip with your leg drive, and you lock in the formula. But when the match starts, all of the technical thinking gets turned off. In a match, you do not focus on your strokes. You trust the fact that your mechanics are sound, and you focus 100% on strategy. Just like Brad Gilbert's famous book, Winning Ugly. Tennis is not about perfect play. It's about understanding how to get through the day and how to be a winner. If your forehand's a little off, you don't start trying to fix it, your grip mid-game. You figure out how to survive. You change the strategy. You figure out how to exploit your opponent's weaknesses. It's just like life or business. You problem solve with the tools you have that day, and you find a way to move forward. When the match is over, that's when the real work begins. If you lose, you have to be able to look in the mirror and ask yourself, what the F just happened? Why did I lose? You have to be brutally honest, and you have to take it to heart. Did you lose because of a specific stroke? Was it your footwork? Was it a mental breakdown? If you don't identify the actual reason you lost and put the work in to improve it, you ain't going forward. That is honest truth. This game demands mechanics, movement, strategy, and mental clarity. It's a tough sport, but that is exactly why it's the best game in the world. It is a game for life. There are always levels to move up, and it teaches you everything about yourself and how to constantly figure things out. If you're struggling to figure out why you lost your last match, you need to stop guessing and look at the tape. That's exactly what the Full Court Tennis app is for. Don't let your ego hide the truth. Record your strokes. Upload your video, and one of our certified coaches will give you the brutal, honest technical feedback you need. Go into our FCT Pro library. Study the best in the world and fix your weaknesses in practice so you don't have to think about them in a match. Here is your checklist. To survive the bad trip and start winning matches, use mindful breathing to stop the negative snowball. Stop thinking about technique during the match. Focus purely on strategy, problem solving, and survival. Look in the mirror after the match. Be brutally honest. Find the exact technical or mental flaw that cost you the match and fix it in practice. Do the homework. Trust your mechanics and figure out how to win. If this breakdown changed the way you look at match play today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Then go download the Full Court Tennis app or sign up directly at fullcourttennis.com. I'm Brian Teacher. Let's go get it. Let's get to work.